What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Nicole Watterson from the Amazing World of Gumball. Let's start today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start on the top left and bring that circle coming down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So line this up, come in and then down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupil. And it'll fill the pupils in black. Now I want to add 3 lashes along the outside of each eye. So start on the left, angle this up and out, and then draw 2 more along the bottom, and we'll line this up on the right side. Now I'm going to place the muzzle in between the eyes but shift it over towards the right. So start down here, start with a curve that goes up, and then down towards the bottom edge of the right eye. We'll round up the muzzle, go across, and then up towards the point on the left. Let's add a small half circle on the top for the nose, and then on the bottom, draw a straight angle line coming down. Now from here, we're going to draw a large half circle along the top of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, pull this up, bend this in, then round out the head, go across, and then back down on the right side. Let's go back over towards the left side, round out the bottom of the head, and then pull that in towards the side of the neck. Now going over towards the right side, we want to bump out the cheek. And go out, round out the cheek, and then pull that in, just aiming towards the left side. Now the neck is going to blend in towards the body. So on the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the hip. Go to the right side and draw that same angle line toward the same height. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's go back and add some markings across the face. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw 3 angled lines. Let's line that up and flip it over on the right. Let's go up to the top and draw 2 curved eyebrows. So start on the left, bend this up and in. Go over towards the right, go out and then down. Now we want to round out the ends of the eyebrow, almost with a bracket. And we'll round out the top of the eyebrow. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now with the head in place, let's draw the left ear along the side of the head. So we'll start up here, start with a curve that goes up, and then out, and then round out the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add another ear along the top, going up toward the middle, round out the ear, and then bring it back down. Now with the head complete, let's add some detail to the body. From the top of the neck, we're going to step down, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down toward the center of the body. From that center point, we'll draw the collar, curve down and out to the left and right side. Let's add an oval along the left side of the body, from the collar coming down and then back up. Now I want to draw our character with the arms on the hips. So from the side of the body on the left, angle the sleeve coming down and out, angle this up and out with a straight line. I'm going to follow that line coming back in, round out the shoulder, and come in towards the side of the neck. Let's add a trim along the bottom of the sleeve. Let's take that sleeve and flip it over on the right. So we'll line this up, come down and out, flatten off the bottom, go up and in, and then round out the shoulder, and then add the edge of the sleeve. Let's go back over towards the left side and tuck the arm in underneath the sleeve. From this point, we'll step up, angle the arm coming down towards the elbow, come in towards the hip, and then we'll round up the hand with a half oval, coming all the way around, and then up towards the wrist. Let's go back to the top, draw the outside of the arm, coming down towards the elbow. I want to round up the elbow and then pull that in behind the wrist. And we'll add 2 lines to separate the fingers. Now I'm going to go back to the hips and draw the edge of the skirt. On the left side, I'm going to curve this out in behind the hand, go over towards the right, bend this out, and then down. Now we'll continue the curve on the left side underneath the hand, coming down toward the same height. Close off the bottom with a straight line. We're going to add 2 curves along the inside of the skirt. So we'll start on the top left, bend this out, and then down, go to the right, and curve in the opposite direction. Now I want to take that same arm and flip it over on the right in behind the body. So from this point, step up, come down towards the elbow, pull it straight in towards the hip. Let's line up the bottom of the hand over on the right, round up the hand and go up towards the wrist, go up to the sleeve. I'm just going to trace the outside of the arm, round up the elbow, and then in behind the hand. Let's separate the fingers with 1 line. Now we're going to go to the center of this line, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet, and we'll draw the feet going around the side. So from the center, come around the draw a straight line going up underneath the skirt. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves along the outside. And then to finish off the drawing, we'll add the tail coming out along the left. Down and out. And I want to round up the tail and just taper this towards the side. Now we're going to go in with my blue marker and fill the inside of the head and the ears. Just working my way around the eyes. I'm using this light, cool gray for the inside of the muzzle. I'm going to use that same color across the shirt. Light pink for the nose. I'm going to add that rainbow pattern across that button. And we'll finish off our drawing by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Nicole Watterson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, make sure you check out our main channel because we're posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.